Hello there, fellow model makers. In this video, I want to talk about cleaning our model making equipment, particularly those expensive airbrushes. This is an ultrasonic cleaner. This machine uses high frequency waves to clean up the parts. Apparently, the waves create tiny bubbles on the surface that dislodge the paint. It's like a million tiny hammers cleaning up the airbrush from the inside. Now, since this machine has been made by our brand-conscious friends in China, the brand on this machine is meaningless. The only thing I was advised by Google was to ensure that the machine operates at least at 40,000 MHz. This one is rated at 42,000. So let's have a try to see how this wonder machine actually performs. Right, here I have a nice Harder & Steenbeck Ultra that I had neglected for several months. The result is that this airbrush is jammed. Let's try and see if it works. Right, the trigger is stuck. I will have to open up the brush and pull it loose. Well, it's not looking good. There is hardly any air coming out of the nozzle and even less water. Basically, currently this airbrush is unusable. Let's disassemble this brush. This particular machine has 4 time settings. I will be using 480 seconds, the longest cycle. First, some water. There is this marker inside the tub indicating how much water we should fill. And I add some Mr. Muscle. It's not really necessary, but I just add it anyway. Right, only the essential parts need to be cleaned. Since it's a little hard to tell how well the cleaning is going, so a litmus test. I will dump in a pair of old tweezers that have some dried paint on them. Let's go. Okay, I will be back at the end of the first cleaning cycle. Let's see now. There you go. This is wonderful. Check out the tweezers. There is still some paint on it, but the machine seems to have done its job. One more cycle. The result, even better. I gave the brush about 5 cycles in all. By the end of it, the water gets rather hot. The tweezers are almost clean. It only takes a gentle rub with a Q-tip to clean up whatever little paint is left. Let's see how the airbrush has fared. I give the airbrush a light clean. And the moment of truth. There you go. Much better. So, fellow model makers, if you use airbrushes, then I strongly recommend you get one of these. What's even better is that they're not really that expensive. This one cost about $45 or 30 pounds on Amazon. There are cheaper versions also available, and they start at about $30. Well, I hope you found the video useful. Thanks for watching. Till next time, good luck and happy modeling.